The essence of bond is usually to ensure that matter proceeds for hearing until its finalization, as accused is deemed to be innocent until proven guilty. We have statutes which govern bond bail. We also have our constitution which guides us on bond bail and the reasons thereto. I hereby order that accused can be released on bond of 500,000 and surety of the same amount, or cash bail of 200,000.
Mokeira Siriba on diverse deaths between June and November 2016 within Nyamira County in the Republic of Kenya, being the Secretary, Chairman, and the Vice Chairman of Nyamira County Public Service Board, respectively used your office to improperly confer a benefit of 56 staff to with appointment of employment in the Department of Gender, Youth, Sports, Culture, and Social Services, contrary to Section 63(2)(a) of the County Government of Act Number 2012. Joffrey Ogeto Michira, Judges, Count Number 3, Abuse of Office, contrary to Section 46, as read with Section 48(1) of the Anti-Corruption and Economic Crime Act Number 3 of 2003. Judge Maranga Sangara on the unknown death in the Republic of Kenya within intent to defraud, and without law authority or excuse made a certificate document, namely of Bachelor of Law certificate, purporting it to be a genuine certificate issued by the University of Nairobi. 353 of the Penal Code, particulars of the office, Chadrick Maranga Sangara on 8 September 2016 within Nyamira County, within the Republic of Kenya, knowingly and fraudulently authored a forged certificate of Bachelor of Law to the Secretary Nyamira County Public Service Board, purporting it to be a genuine certificate issued by the University of Nairobi. Masa Owara on devised death between June and November 2026 within Nyamira County in the Republic of Kenya, being the county executive member in the Department of Gender, Youth, Sports, Culture, and Social Services. Nyamira County use your office to improperly confer a benefit of 56 staffs by appointing them as officers in the said department without authority, contrary to Section 63 of the County Government of Act 2012.
The essence of bond is usually to ensure that matter proceeds for hearing until its finalization, as accused is deemed to be innocent until proven guilty. We have statutes which govern bond bail. We also have our constitution which guides us on bond bail and the reasons thereto. I hereby order that accused can be released on bond of 500,000 and surety of the same amount, or cash bail of 200,000. It is on 7th March